BGB-3111 actually has a name now. It's now called zanubrutinib, and it is a second-generation BTK inhibitor. And how it differs from ibrutinib is that it achieves very high drug levels. So the drug levels are somewhere around 6 to 8 times that of ibrutinib. And also it is very selective, so it has a potentially a more benign side effect profile compared with ibrutinib. It binds to the same area of BTK as ibrutinib does, but the main advantages are that the drug levels are higher and it's more selective. It has been presented before in the phase 1 format, so in this meeting what we're sharing with the audience is the updated results on the phase 1 study in patients with follicular lymphoma, diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, and mantle cell lymphoma. So this is the first time we've updated this series of patients. As expected, the drug is very active in mantle cell lymphoma with a response rate of close to 90%. And in follicular lymphoma, where ibrutinib has not been so active, this drug has about a 40% response rate. So that looks fairly promising as well. We've also updated the drug. We have not updated the Waldenstrom's and the CLL data because that was only updated 6 months ago. But in those two diseases, zanubrutinib is now in registration studies. We've also got 2 abstracts this meeting involving combinations of zanubrutinib and other agents. So the first one is zanubrutinib plus obinutuzumab, the antibody. And it's an updated result of a phase 1 study of the combination in patients with CLL and follicular lymphoma. And in particular in follicular lymphoma, the response rates are very encouraging with about a 40% complete remission rate. So there is now a pathway to potentially registering this combination for follicular lymphoma. We also have a very interesting combination of zanubrutinib plus a PD-1 inhibitor by the name of BGB-A317. So this is the combination of a BTK inhibitor and a PD-1 inhibitor. And it's really a phase 1 study, and so far we've shown that the combination is tolerable at clinical doses, and we've had some interesting responses in patients with transformed lymphomas.